Alright. We have here the Silvertec Delta Force DK507 gaming keyboard. This is a wired full 104 key membrane type keyboard. Yes, it's not a mechanical keyboard, just a membrane type. That's why it is only 995 pesos, which I bought from Octagon physical store. But I believe it is also available on their online store. At the back of the box, we have the specification details of the keyboard, which includes a 19-key anti-ghosting. Anti-ghosting ensures that your key presses are sent without error and in the order pressed. It has a detachable and interchangeable WASD and arrow keys, which I'm not sure what's the purpose of that. It also has an 11 multimedia hotkeys embedded within the function keys. A metal bottom case with a fixed rubber dome that provides ergonomic and stable typing experience. It can also disable the Windows key to prevent accidental presses while gaming, and it has a rainbow backlight with breathing effects. The packaging is decent. Fits for its purpose as a gaming keyboard. At the side of the box, you can see the details of the special function keys of the DK507 keyboard. So don't throw away your box yet, as it doubles as a sort of user guide as well. We have the Silvertec logo at the other side, which is the manufacturer of this keyboard. Okay. Let's open the box now. By the way, the DK507 keyboard has a 5 volts working voltage and a 100 milliamps working current. So it is energy efficient enough. Alright. We have the keyboard here, wrapped in a paper bag thingy. And that's it. Nothing else. No user manual. No key puller. Nothing. Just the keyboard. DK507 weighs 840 grams with a dimension of 440 by 133 by 42 millimeters. Basically an average size, but a bit heavy, probably due to the metal back plate. The interface here is a USB-A, as you can see here. The back does have a metal plate cover, which looks really nice and premium. And the rubber dome is big, which should provide a nice ergonomic angle when using it. The sides of the keyboard, and looks like everything else, are made of plastic. The braided cable, which looks like 1 or 1.5 meters long, is thick and looks very sturdy. I like it. The keys, with laser engraving characters, looks very durable as well. The keys are raised, which makes them look like a mechanical keyboard. Until you hear the sound of its keystrokes, the DK507 looks pretty much like a mechanical keyboard. If we take out one of the keys here, this is what the key look like. And as you can see here, this is just a membrane type keyboard. Not a mechanical one. Let me put this key back on. In a closer look with the angle produced by the dome bar at the bottom of the keyboard, you can see that the typing angle produced is significant, which is great, ergonomically speaking. And since this is a whole rubber bar that runs across the keyboard, plus the 2 small rubber feet at the other corner of the keyboard, it also provides a lot of grip and lessens or eliminates the keyboard movements when typing. The metal plate also adds a lot of stability with the keyboard, and it feels very steady when using it. I am a fan of this keyboard's under chassis. Overall, for the DK507 build, it feels very sturdy, stable, and premium. I think this can last for about 2 to 3 years with me. For the DK507 backlights, it is decent. LED lights are bright enough and comes with multiple colors. The lights can definitely give you a gaming keyboard vibes. But don't get too excited about the light effects though, as there's not much here. The LED lights on each key here can produce any color within the RGB spectrum, so they are definitely capable for a much better light effects. That's why I can't understand why Silvertec opted to give this keyboard a very boring and limited backlight effects. They definitely missed an opportunity here. They already have the hardware for it, but did not utilize it well. An opportunity missed. Pressing function plus on and off keys will just rotate between a steady light or breathing light effect. When on breathing effect, it will breath through the 3 preset rainbow lights. Then pressing on and off key will rotate you through lights off and the 3 preset rainbow lights, which are the green-red-blue combination, the red-blue-green combination, and the yellow-violet-blue combination. And that's it. My suggestion is to enable the breathing light effects, since with this, you will be able to experience all the 3 rainbow light combinations. With each breath shifts to the next rainbow light combination. It's definitely not as good as the light effects of the Royal Kludge RK918, but the DK507 costs just almost 40% of that, so you get what you pay for, I guess. For further light customization, you can press the function key, along with page up or page down key, to adjust the brightness of the backlight. Each press is equivalent to a 25% plus or minus to the brightness. When gaming, it is very annoying when you accidentally press the Windows key, since you will immediately lose focus from the game, and if you are on full screen, your game window will get minimized. So it is a really good thing that DK507 added a feature in this keyboard to disable the Windows button. To do that, you just need to press function and L keys. As you can see here, even when I press the Win key, it does not bring up the start menu anymore, as it is disabled now. To re-enable the Win key, just press Function L again. There we go. Start menu is opening again upon pressing the Win key. There are other special key functions on the DK507 keyboard, but most of them are common with the other keyboards out there, so I'll skip them from this video and leave it for you to explore on your own. As shown earlier, you can check the print at the side of the keyboard box for reference on these special key functions. I'm sure everyone is eager to know how the keyboard usage feels, and the best way to show that to you is to let you hear what the keystroke sounds. Turn up your volume and enjoy the DK507 key sounds. As you might noticed, the clickiness is not the same as compared to mechanical keyboards, which is expected. We are using a membrane keyboard here anyway. But with the way the DK507 keyboard is built, it gives you a feeling that you are using a mechanical keyboard. But the key layouts, the height and how that every keys are raised, the sound it makes when the key touches the base of the keyboard when you press it, and the responsiveness of each key. Most of the time, I forget that I am using a membrane keyboard here. In most of the membrane keyboards, you have to press all the way down before the key press registers. But for DK507, you only need to press halfway down. I don't know how they did it, but it's awesome, and that's one of the main factors why I feel like I am using a mechanical keyboard with DK507. Very responsive. My son is the main user of this keyboard, and he has been using it for around 2 months now, and I have not heard any single complaints from him. And he is gaming a lot. So I guess that proves the responsiveness of this keyboard. I have been borrowing the keyboard from him every night for about a month as well to test, and I can't complain either. Performance and ergonomic feeling are both good. My son usually uses it for gaming, while I use it mostly for office work, and in both cases DK507 is great. The Silvertec Delta Force DK507 gaming keyboard only has one connectivity option, which is through USB wired connection. Silvertec does not provide any software companion to the DK507 as well, so customization is very limited. Although the LED lights of the keyboard are capable of much more awesome light effects, its RGB lighting is mediocre at best. Due to its membrane-type keys, some level of tactility is missing. And the package could also be improved by adding a user manual or something. But when you consider the price of this keyboard, all those shortcomings become reasonable. With a price tag that is less than half of the cheapest mechanical RGB keyboards out there, how can you see it any other way? Along with that low price tag, you also get a very solid build with a bottom metal plate and a rubber dome bar, a very sturdy cable, a good looking body, raised keys, and ergonomic design. DK507 gaming keyboard is a membrane keyboard that is in a mechanical keyboard body. With all of these being considered, if you have a tight budget but would like to experience a premium gaming keyboard feels, then I definitely recommend to go get a Silvertec Delta Force DK507 gaming keyboard. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nilasuj for watching. No but air.